In this video, we review STARCOMM's Timeline feature. The Timeline is an interactive module that helps navigate through the archived footage. You can change the zoom of the timeline by using the mouse wheel or from the pop-up menu. Quickly review recent history by hovering the mouse pointer over the timeline. Once a moment of interest is found, click on the thumbnail to start playback. Use the thumbnail toggle to close or open thumbnails. You can use the arrows to jump by the selected time interval. Or use keyboard arrows to jump 5 seconds. Also, you can drag timeline with your mouse. Use the Find Scrubber button to quickly center the timeline on the screen. Yellow dots represent generic motion events. Pink dots represent recognized smart events. Hover your pointer over any dot to expand it and view event duration. Click on the dot to review the event. Playback speed can be changed from the camera toolbar. Use the arrows at the edge of the timeline to jump to the next or to the previous events. Watch our other tutorials or contact STARCOMM for additional information on our video surveillance monitoring portal and video surveillance hardware.